Hey everybody, after going to NEAF and meeting with the folks from Dwarf Lab, they've sent me their Dwarf Lab 3, which I've never actually had a chance to use myself. And I'm excited to kind of just have my first impressions in this video. So I haven't even unboxed it yet. And I hope to bring this out to a number of different places I hope to travel to this summer and maybe give it a chance to see some dark skies. So let's take a look at what the Dwarf Lab 3 looks like. And if you've had experience with this product, please leave some comments below so that I can, see what your feedback looks like as well. So here we go. All right, there it is. The Dwarf Lab 3 Smart Telescope. All right, there's the box. And I've always kind of looked at this and thought to myself, weird looking product, but interesting all at once. So after getting kind of past the idea of this not looking like a traditional smart telescope or telescope at all, I'm interested to see how it feels like in your hands and, just to try to get an understanding of the build quality and things like that. First impressions with the box is that it feels like they've taken the time to put together a package here. Feels very much like a smart device. Nice clean packaging. On the back here, it shows you, all the different things that it can do. So capable of the moon, the sun, nebulae, Milky Way photography, which from my understanding, the Milky Way photography aspect of the Dwarf Lab 3 is what kind of is the major upgrade over the Dwarf Lab 2. The camera that is the side camera here, this one right there, that one is supposed to be able to now to do Milky Way photography, which before it was simply for alignment purposes. Now opening this up, seems like it's in a nice bag. See if I can get this open without ripping it. Nope, looks like I'm going to have to rip through. So I like that it comes with this bag. It's a nice little tote and has a nice handle here. Seems like it's fairly waterproof. I wouldn't want to test the waterproof level too much. Inside the bag, we've got another little zipper pocket here, little mesh, things like cables. We've got a box. We've got the telescope itself, and looks like we have some other small little pockets in this side as well. So here it is, the Dwarf Lab 3. It's actually a little bit heavier than I thought it was going to be. I didn't actually have a chance when I was at NEAF to handle it. It feels a lot more high quality than I thought it would. I thought it was going to feel very plasticky. It is apparently made of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. It actually feels fairly premium. On the bottom here, we've got a standard, mount here for a tripod, and it appears that it stores with the cameras down and kind of protected, which is a good feature, I think, to have when you're traveling, especially when you're transporting it, that you don't have those lenses exposed. Now on the bottom here, it kind of has these little plastic things, a little one for the speaker, uncover the speaker, And the other one says microphone. So I'm just going to pull those off right away. Let's take a look at what's in the box. So in the box, we've got another little bag. Got the owner's manual, which I'm told we should be reading. USB-C to USB-C cable. Lens cloth. And a strap for the bag. In this bag here, looks like we have our filters. Magnetic solar filters, it says. So that's kind of cool. Handy little bag to store them in. And the magnetic sunshades just kind of click over the top right there to protect your telephoto and your wide angle lenses to do solar photography, which is pretty sweet. So from here, I guess the next step is to turn it on. I believe this is the button. A little ring pops up here where it starts to show that it's turning on. Little indicator lights there that tell you what the battery level is. There's also a charge port right here, which is USB-C. Okay, according to the user manual, the next step after doing the power on is to download the Dwarf Lab app from the App Store or Google Play. Let's open up the Dwarf Lab app, and I would highly recommend making sure that you hit to allow the device to know where your location is. That way you're getting all of the information from the device, allowing it to connect for the GPS purposes. And I'm connecting to the device and allow Bluetooth. Yep, there it is. And I'm connecting. Join its network and activating the device. Activate successful. All right. Photo. Use the joystick to move the Dwarf device. Oh, this is cool. There it is. Here's me. All right. So it's definitely working. Let's see if I can go full screen on this. There it is. It's a little difficult to get my face in full view. It's not the greatest of angles. All right, so it does come with a protective film. Peel that off. And there's the device. I guess the next step is for us to take a look at what it can do at night and also what it can do during the daytime. I understand that you can also use it for, just traditional landscape type photography as well, or bird photography. So I'm going to set this up and I'm going to try it out for myself here and take you along for the ride. If you're still watching and like videos like this one, please consider becoming a Patreon patron. Memberships start as low as $3 per month, with benefits including opportunities to ask questions of our guests. Also, please consider to like, subscribe, and share this video to help us bring the universe even closer than you think.